Jamaican sprinting legend Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce wins the 200 meter at the Prefontaine Classic. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Defending 100 meter champion Shelly-Ann Fraser Pryce of Jamaica beat American Brittany Brown in the 200 meter at the Prefontaine Classic in Eugene, Oregon on Saturday. Fraser Pryce clocked a season best of 22.41 seconds for the victory, while Brown was just behind in 22.74 seconds. This win falls on the heels of the Jamaican Elaine Thompson-Herah beating the American Shacarri Richardson in the Prefontaine Classic 100 meter to set the record straight that she's actually one of the fastest Jamaican athletes out there on the scene. I'm feeling good. A win is always good. In terms of execution, I'm not sure if I executed the way I wanted to, said Fraser Pryce in a statement. Congratulations goes out to all the Jamaican athletes who continue to make Jamaica proud and hope they continue to succeed at the highest level. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.